She'll sing. Never mind. Well, this is kind of boring. Sorry, guys. Rachel, do something exciting.
That don't impress me much. So you don't got the hair, but have you got the touch? Now don't get me wrong, yeah, I think you're all right, Gary Pearce, but that don't keep me warm in the middle of the night. Now that don't impress me much. I'm sorry to your wife, Barbara, but you've got the touch. You're a sexy man, and I think you're alright. And you love going to church in the middle of the night. No, Alicia, we don't have cake mix. Got the touch, but I love you, and I've had phone conversations with you in the night. Yeah, I think you're alright. Will you keep me warm in the middle of the night? I love you, Gary Pearce. Okay, so you're Gary Pearce. That impresses me much. Now you've got 4 kids. That's sexy hot.
Oh my God.
Jonathan, Amanda, Alicia, and Tim. You are full of love to the brim. You've got a house now on some street. It's called Doolin 88 or 89. I don't care, 'cause I've got the time for Gary Pearce. Now you're a man in the state of Lamont, in the state of Chicago, in the state of
Chat, take 3.
When I see you drive by, in your mail truck with your head tilted toward the sky, I think, wow,
The sun is blinding me.
What a sexy man. You got a lot of brains, but have you got the touch? Okay, so you're Brad Pitt, or you look like him. Good night, Tuscaloosa.
That was like a 3-minute music video. Well, I hope my dad sees this. You can send it to him in an envelope, unmarked.